Imagine your body as a vast cosmic city with glowing streets lit by thousands of tiny fireflies racing through the night. When those lights start flickering red, it's your body's silent distress signal. Blood pressure is the force your heart uses to push those fireflies, your blood cells, through the highways of your arteries. Each heartbeat sends a surge of energy lighting up the city's streets. But when the pressure climbs too high, it's like a sudden traffic jam. Fireflies get jammed, bumping into each other and breaking streetlights. The roads beneath start to crack, weakening the city's foundation. What causes these jams? Too much salt is like pouring glitter on the roads, slippery and chaotic. Stress shakes the city with storms, scrambling traffic lights, and plaque, it builds like a growing landfill, blocking lanes and squeezing the flow. When traffic jams become permanent, entire neighborhoods start losing power. The heart, brain, and kidneys flicker on the edge of a blackout, silent but deadly. Here's the good news. With mindful maintenance, the roads can clear. Less salt, more movement, calming the storms, and resetting traffic lights helps the fireflies flow freely again. Your body's cosmic city is whispering through this traffic chaos. Listen closely and help restore its brilliant, glowing balance. And before making any decisions, always consult a healthcare professional.